Good morning. Welcome on RV online class. So, in previous class, I explained you about the Kodagu and other districts of the Mysuru division. Now, once again, I am explaining you Kodagu district. Then after that, Dakshina Kannada district. Then last point, that is the Udupi district. So once again, I am repeating you Kodagu district. Kodagu, it is coming in Mysuru division. So Kodagu is famous as like a Kashmir. So for India, how the Kashmir is nice, beautiful place, same like that only here in Karnataka. Kodagu, it is like a Kashmir of Karnataka. After the decline of many kings. So here also ruling in ancient times, many kings they ruled. But after the decline of some kings, then Halleri king, they started ruling the Kodagu. So they ruled very well. They developed here nicely. Some places they built sports, roads, and many type of gardens because here is very nice nature. Here have ghats, small hills, and many type of trees, clamber, branches, many type of bushes, and many nice. Totally, we had to say that dense forest is here. So here is very nice climate. So many kings they want to rule here, and so these Halleri kings they ruled very long time. So how much means 1600 to 1834. So they ruled little bit long, but other kings they ruled less because they not have the understanding with the subjects or they're not giving the interest to rule that place. So like this they are. Some kings those who are strong and powerful they're ruling well and those who are the weak then one by one they are defeating this place and nicely they are ruling. But Halleri kings they are well nice kings they have the capacity to rule the place and they ruled very well and they ruled long time from 1600 to 4. So this is the long time. They ruled very well. And again, after the Halleri, then at a time, slowly in Halleri kings, they little bit weak kings also came. Then weak kings, they not maintained the kingdom very well. So here, Britishers, at that time, Britishers, they started ruling. So they occupied that Kodagu place and they started ruling the Kodagu. And they ruled this Kodagu because it is very beautiful place and very nice place. That's why this Kodagu it started ruling by the this British peoples. In 1834, these Britishers they occupied. Means after the Halleris, here Britishers they occupied. So it is going on as it is under the Britishers. But after getting the independence, it is remained as an independent only. It not came in the Karnataka, means in India also. So in 1956, this Kodagu merged in Karnataka. So it becomes the part of the Karnataka. Then it including Karnataka districts. So here in Kodagu, many type of festivals also celebrating. So in that famous festival that is the Putturi. So it is a harvest festival. Here people when they are harvesting the crops at that time they are celebrating this festival. And this Kodagu it is very famous place for the tourists. Why? Means here nature is good. It is like a Kashmir of India like that in Karnataka and Talakaveri. Here Talakaveri means the birthplace of Kaveri River. So it is a holy place for the peoples. Here many people they are coming to worship here and they are enjoying the nature also. Again here have the waterfalls. So two waterfalls are very famous that is Abe waterfalls and Irupu waterfalls. These two waterfalls are very famous. Then here Chikkamangaluru. It is famous for the coffee plantation. So like this all districts and talukas are very popular in this Mysuru division. So totally here in Kodagu, many types of means many caste people are staying here. Maybe Christian, maybe Hindu, maybe Jain, maybe Muslims. Many types of people are staying here. So this is over Kodagu districts. Now I am explaining you about the Dakshina Kannada district. So Dakshina Kannada district. After this Kodagu, now we are going to understanding the Dakshina Kannada district. So Dakshina Kannada district, it is famous. Why? Because it is coming totally in coastal area. So it has popular ports. Means many nice ports are here. With the help of ports here, people they are doing the business, exporting and importing. Nowadays they are doing, but in olden days also Britishers and other kings they also doing same business, means exporting and importing, because it is the totally coastal area. Here I have many big and small ports. So here people they are doing the work more. What is that means? Here have some industries processing of cashew nut and ruling of BDs. Here people they are making the BDs. Maybe you know that village people they are smoking the BDs. Some educated and high class people they are smoking the cigarettes. Maybe children understood this. So these all they have, and fishing also, because it is near the coastal region. This is Dakshina Kannada. So here have the more fishing also. Means fisheries people are here. So here some part here little part is nice, but more part is near the coastal region, means near the sea. So here most of this Dakshina Kannada district peoples they are doing the fishery only. Then remaining peoples they are doing the agriculture also. Here means here some peoples they are half peoples they are depending on fishing, half peoples they are in agriculture. So here people's main occupation is agriculture. Those who are near the land, those who are near the coastal region, their occupation is fishing. So here this BD, making of the BD, and many small industries are there, or big industries of cashew nuts processing, means making of the cashew nuts. Then again other business also here. These coastal areas, it is the part of the Madras. Before the independence, when Britishers are ruling, at that time, this Dakshina Kannada district, it is the part of Madras. So according to the places, how much they are occupying, that much place they are ruling. So like that, here, this part they given to the Madras king when they are ruling, these Britishers. So at that time, this Dakshina Kannada, it went under the Madras. Then again, so after some years, then Britishers, they divide this place. Means here they divided. They've done this Canara. They are saying this coastal region as a Canara. So this Canara place they divided into two parts. One Dakshina Kannada and Uttara Kannada. Dakshina Kannada and Uttara Kannada in 1860. In 1860, these Britishers they divided this Canara as two parts. Means this coastal area they divided into two parts. So Dakshina Kannada it remains with the Madras only. This Dakshina Kannada it remains in Madras only. But Uttara Kannada it was made a part of Mumbai. At that time we are saying Bombay. Now we can say that name Mumbai. So here it went under the Mumbai. And whereas the Uttara Kannada, so means Dakshina Kannada it went in Madras downside. Remaining part of up Kannada means Canara coastal region they divided in two parts, one down, one up. So Dakshina Kannada it went under the Madras. Then Uttara Kannada it went in the Mumbai. Nowadays we are saying the Mumbai. In at that time they said the Bombay. So it went under the Bombay. Here they done these two parts. These districts become the part of Karnataka after the independence of 9 years. That is 1956. It came under the Karnataka, Dakshina Kannada and Uttara Kannada, these two parts. So before this Britishers they divided two parts and they given one for Madras, one for Bombay. So after the independence of many years, then in 1956, these two places came under the Karnataka. So this way it is done by the Britishers. Then Dakshina Kannada is divided into two geographical lands. Means according to land, before I told you it divided. So it divided how means one is coastal belt. This Dakshina Kannada it divided into two. In that also, one is the coastal belt. Means before I told near the sea, that is all divided as the coastal belt. Then remaining part that is called the Mangaluru. In that coming Mangaluru and Bantwal. These two places, these two talukas are coming in the coastal belt. Then again remaining some hilly places also there. Then remaining part, that is Puttur and Bel, some name it is Bentagal. So that one, these two places also coming in the other part. So Sulya Taluka. So up coming to, it is in Mangaluru and Bandwa. This is the talukas of the Dakshina Kannada. It is have the coastal regions. Then remaining part, it have the hilly areas. So here, these major places, in these places are some major industries are there. So in that industries and some ports also good and important famous ports also here. And in these ports they are exporting and importing the goods from this place by the ship. And here, Navamangaluru port, it is also built once more, means before as it is they have the many ports, but after that again they built one more that is called Navamangaluru port. It is also very nice there. And international airport in Bajpayee in Mangaluru, it is also very nice, beautifully they built now. So these are the main important places in Dakshina Kannada district. Then here, Netravati, Payasvini and Kumaradhara. These three rivers are the major rivers of this Dakshina Kannada. These three rivers are very big and very beautiful and very nice rivers. So these three are, many rivers are there. Again, maybe some 3 or 4 rivers. So, but that are very small rivers. But these three rivers are flowing very nicely and it is very good rivers. So these three are the popular and important river of this Dakshina Kannada district. Then Dakshina Kannada district have many religious centers. This district have the many religious centers also. So because many people are staying here according to their caste, according to their traditional their customs, here according to them, here the religious peoples, means founders, they all are staying here at that time in older days. So nowadays it is a holy place, this religious center. So Morality Gomteshwara statue or idol is here in Venuru. This is coming in Dakshina Kannada. Venuru, one taluka, one place it is. In that place, monolithic Gomateshwara means one. It is done in, means they done as an idol of Gomateshwara in one stone. It is called the monolithic. So this is also very unique and very nice. It's looking very beautiful. So many tourists they want to see this one. So it is also very beautiful here in Dakshina Kannada. It is in coming in Veluru Taluka. Then Sri Manjunatha temple also here. It is also very popular. It is many people they are going there for worshipping and for enjoying the nature also. Then again next one, that Mudabidre is the famous Jain religious place. This Mudabidre, it is the Jain, you know the Jain caste. So they religious center, this Mudabidre. So they also have the religious center. So many people they are visiting there. Maybe Jain, maybe Hindu, maybe Muslim, maybe Christian. They all want to see that places. So they are going and visiting that place and enjoying that one. Then after the Mudabidre, then again here one Dharmasthala. It is also popular religious place here. Many people, you know that Dharmasthala. Is it no child? Children? So it is also very popular place in Dakshina Kannada district. So totally here many religious centers are here. Then sorry, once again I will say Durga Rameshwari temple. So it is also popular temple in Dakshina Kannada district. It is in one place. It have that sorry, Taluka's name was, now it is Katilu. So in Katilu Taluka, this Durga Parashmar, sorry, once again I will repeat. Durga Parameshwari temple is in Katilu Taluka. So it is also very famous and it is also religious center. Then one more, it is also very popular place. One more place is Gokara Natheshwara temple. Gokara Natheshwara temple, it is also very famous. It is in Kudroli Taluka. So it is also very famous and very beautiful place and temple is it is. So another religious center also many are here. Then Some again Christians churches also here, because at that time Portuguese, Britishers, many peoples they ruled this place. So when they are ruling here, they build here many churches also. The famous church, Saint Aloysius Church, this one, and Mila Gates. These two churches also famous in this place, as well as again Juma Masjid. It is also famous. It is Dala Taluka in Dakshina Kannada district. So these all places are religious places for these all peoples, and all people they are visiting these all places, and they are enjoying this place, and they are doing the fully traveling in these places, and they worshipping the god and goddesses here with that. And the Nisarga Dhama of Pilikula. This is very nice place. This is established in the place of 350 acres of land. In land here, Dr. Shivarama Karantha Biopark is housed also. So totally it is very beautiful and very big place. So here very nice plants, trees, herbs, these all things are here. And again here folklore museum also in Dakshina Kannada district. Folklore museum also here. It is famous in whole Asia. Then again science centers, architecture, then literature. These all things are here. So these all things are attracting the peoples to visit the Dakshina Kannada district. In that many talukas also very beautiful, very nice, and many talukas they are religious centers also for Hindus, for Muslims, for Jains, and for Christians also. So many places are very beautiful in the Dakshina Kannada. So again this in Dakshina Kannada, Nisarga Dhama, I told you it is beautiful like a garden, like a botanical garden, like that. Then one more thing, that is Nagara Dhare. Nagara Dhane means snake worshipping. So that is also here in Dakshina Kannada. Many people they are worshipping the snake. So here Kambala, Bhuta, Kola, and other very many type of ritual things are going on. Means religious traditionals are moving there, so that people are following that one. Again here education is good in this district. Many people they are getting the good education, and many good nicely education centers, institutions are here. Then Mangaluru, so this is the main center for the education in this state. Then Surathakal and Swalya have become important educational centers. This is not only Mangaluru, these all places also important educational centers. Means here private and government institutions are here. They are providing the education for the children. And again here in this district, many research centers also here. Many research centers. They made here research centers. And many beautiful beaches that is very attracting the tourist. Means here beaches, because this place is near the coastal region. So that's why here people they are attracting. They want to see the beaches. They want to see the place. Not only people's children also they like to watch these all things. So here we completing the Dakshina Kannada district. Now last point, that is the Udupi district. So Udupi. So this is when we are hearing the Udupi means suddenly in our mind coming the beaches, nice beach. So Udupi, it is also very beautiful and good district of the Mysore division. So this Udupi is formed in 1997. It became the district as in 1997 by dividing the Dakshina Kannada. Here, this Dakshina Kannada is divided in two parts. One Dakshina Kannada, another one is Udupi. So here there are two parts of this Dakshina Kannada. One Dakshina Kannada, another one is Udupi. So before also I given the example of Kalburgi and Yadgir. Before Yadgir, Kalburgi is the district. But after some time, now our Yadgir also become the district, dividing the Kalburgi. Same that way only here Dakshina Kannada dividing, and it become the one Dakshina Kannada, another one is Udupi district. So when it happened in 1997. So this district have many nice places also. How the Dakshina Kannada, same that way here also. So here Arabian Sea is to the west. Here Udupi is coming in west side, Arabian Sea in west and eastern side. In western side, Arabian Sea, eastern side, Ghats are coming. So here, totally, this Udupi place is very nice and beautiful place because it have the Ghats, one side coastal region. So it looking very nice and very beautiful place. So Udupi it have nicely growing the crops, commercial crops. So in that, arcanite and coconut, these two are very popular. They are growing very nicely. So this is very nice product. This is commercial product. So they are growing this one more. And again with that, they are growing more paddy also. It is also because the climate and its land is very well for growing of paddy. So here these people they are growing more this one. The temple of Krishna, Sri Krishna is here, means in this Udupi district. The Sri Krishna temple, it is very popular. Maybe you know the story of Udupi Krishna temple. So here it said that the idol of the Sri Krishna is turn its face, means it is in Udupi, one temple is there. The temple's name is Sri Krishna temple. So it turned its face from door to back windows. So it is the unique thing. So now also people they are worshipping from the window only because its face is window side, not the door side. And here Dvaita philosophy Madhvacharya they started this temple. They founded the Sri Krishna temple in Udupi. And here it is very popular temple. And here Lord Krishna turned his face on from east to west. Means from door to window. They turn their face. And that window is called the Kanakadasana Kindi or Kanaka Kindi. Like this. Means one story is there. Kanakadas, they are the devotee of the Sri Krishna and they want to see the Krishna face. Means they want to worship him in going inside. But some people they told you are the low caste, so you are not allowed to go inside. So at that time they are hurt too much and they started singing devotional song. Then suddenly Sri Krishna face turned west to east, and then they saw the Krishna face and they went. So on that time to now also the Krishna, Sri Krishna's face is towards of window, not to door. So this is the story of Sri Krishna and it is famous in Udupi. So this Udupi district is famous for the Sri Krishna temple and many things also there, but it is very famous. Then again, Mukambika, this is the famous temple. It is also in Udupi district, Mukambika temple. Then many other also is there. Many famous temples and because at a time kings they are ruling, at a time they are very nice kings. Some they are weak kings, they are defeating in others' hand, but those who are well strong kings, they rule very well, they looking to their subjects very well, and they build many temples, forts, palaces. So they are the devotional people, so they build nice temples. So many beautiful and nice. Then again many 42 feet long idol is here, that is the Gomateshwar idol. So it is also very famous idol in Udupi district. It is coming before it is in Dakshina Kannada. When they divided it came in Udupi. So Rashtra Kavi Govinda Pai Research Center is in Udupi. Malpe and Manipal. These all places are many other places also very beautiful and tourists they want to visit these places. These are the popular places and other education centers also here. Not only in Dakshina Kannada, here also many educational centers are here from government also from private also. Here people their main occupation is growing the paddy and commercial crops are arganite and coconut. These are the main and cashew nut also. Then at a time in olden days, kings after ruling Portuguese, then Dutch, then Britishers, they rule. So that's why here they build many churches also. So according to the rules of kings and these Britishers peoples, then Muslims, these all things. So here we also have the many churches, masjids, temples, these all things. And Jains also they build here. So totally it means that this place is very beautiful. Again one island is there in this Udupi district. So that island's name is Saint Mary's Island. It is also very popular. So in this island, one church is there. That church is very beautiful. It built by the Portuguese, and it is very nice. It is coming in the Malpai. So it is very nice. So totally we have to say that this Udupi district is very beautiful because in Udupi totally come under the near the coastal region. Little part of Dakshina Kannada. So remaining part is coastal region. So it is very nice. Here also have many type of agriculture land, many type of dense forest, then waterfalls, then beaches. Totally nice places are here. People they want to visit this place for enjoying there and for worshipping the according to their religious god or goddesses. So maybe I hope children you all understood these 2 points. And before in previous class also I told you about Kodagu. Once again I told that before. So Kodagu, Dakshina Kannada and Udupi district. These all districts maybe I hope you understood better. So thank you children. God bless you. Stay home safely.